Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a makeup empties video. In this video I'll be showing you guys a product which I have used and I have emptied them completely. So I'll tell you about the products and how I feel about them, and whether the products are a hit or a miss, or whether I'll buy it again, and how I feel about the products. So if you want to know about the products and how I feel about them, then please keep on watching. So the products which I'll be sharing with you guys are not only for face products or makeup or skincare, something like that. It's a like combination. So first, so the order which I'll go by is, first I'll show you the face products. For example, the face washes which I've emptied, and after that I'll go to the skincare products, and then I have some hair products with me as well. So I'll go through the hair products in the end of the video. So the first product which I'll be showing you guys is a face wash, and I'm halfway this side, halfway that side about this product. So it's first I'll show you the product. It's the Clean and Clear Pimple Clearing Face Wash. This is the one, and I've completely emptied it. So I'll let you know how I feel about this product. For if you're for example, I'm a dry skin type, so if you're a dry skin type, you should not go for this product, because what it does, it sucks out all the oils and all the moisture from your face. So whenever I wash my face with this face wash, my skin feels a bit dry, and I feel that and it started to like dry out. So instantly after washing my face with this face wash, I have to apply some moisturizer, otherwise my skin will start itching, because it's a bit sensitive and on the dry side as well. So I have to be very careful when choosing any face wash or any face product for that matter, otherwise my skin will react very easily. So yeah, I won't be purchasing this face wash again. So that is my review about this one. Now the second product which I'll be sharing with you guys is a face scrub. So it's like one of my favorite face scrub in the market, drugstore you can say, because it doesn't dry out my skin. So the face scrub is from Biotique. It's Bio Papaya Visibly Ageless Scrub Wash, and that's how it looks. So it claims to give you a fresh, polished and glowing skin, and it's Ayurvedic 100% botanical extracts. So what I like about this product is that it doesn't dry out my skin, and it is not one of those harsh scrub which are very harsh on your skin, and it and leaves your skin very dry. It will still, after washing your face with this, it will still leave some oil on your face, but it also clear out all the impurities from your face. So it's a very good scrub if you want to go for any scrub, because it is not very harsh on the skin, and at the same time it is a very good scrub, and it's also not very expensive. I think it's below 200 bucks, so you can definitely try it out, and I will be purchasing it again. And now that's the only products I have for face wash and scrub. Now moving on to my skincare though. So the first product which I'll be showing you guys, it's a face mist. And now you might have heard me talking about this mist in my Instagram as well, or I think in my previous YouTube video as well. So in case you don't know about this product, it's a face mist, and it's from Kama Ayurveda. It's a pure rose water mist. Mm, Now I have used many face mists in the past, but I have not liked them as much as I like this one, because it does give me that refreshing feeling whenever I apply or spray it or all over my face. Like so whenever I take a shower, after that the first thing I do is I spray it all over my face, because it gives me a very refreshing feeling. So if you want to try any face mist and you have no idea which one to go for, then you can definitely try this one out, because uh, it is the it is literally one of those mists which hydrates and at the same time refreshes your skin very well. So yeah. Now the next product which I'll be sharing with you guys is a face cream, basically a face moisturizer, and it's from Belief, and it's the Belief True Cream Moisturizing Balm, and this is how it looks. I got the mini size because I wanted to try first, and I wanted to see how my skin reacts. And let me tell you guys, this is the best face cream I have used. It hydrates my skin very beautifully. Like, it doesn't my mostly I've already told you in my previous videos, like I don't like moisturizer with which gets absorbed to my skin very easily. I like moisturizer which sits on my skin so that I can see that glow and that juicy skin. So yeah, this is one of those moisturizer which does that. Also, I have used the Belief True Cream Aqua Bomb, but I like the moisturizing bomb better than that, because if you're dry skin type, because I am a dry skin type basically, and I have used that one as well, but I didn't like it as I like this one. So if you're dry skin type like me, then you should definitely go for it. This one moisturizing bomb, and if you are on the oily side of the skin, then you should go for the Aqua Bomb. It will suit your skin better than this one. So how I apply it is, after washing my face and after I use the face mist, then I'm not one of those girls who religiously follow a skincare routine. Basically, I just use a mist and then I use the cream. That's it. That is my skincare routine, nothing else. So after using the Calm Ayurveda face mist, I apply this Belief one, and that's it. My skin is good to go, and my skin will stay hydrated throughout the day, and I don't have to worry about anything, and I definitely would be purchasing this one again. Now the next products is also a face cream. So I wanted to show this face cream because the Belief one is on the expensive side, and if you guys want to try a inexpensive one, then I thought that I should put one inexpensive face cream as well in my video. So this is the Pond's moisturizing cold cream, and this is the big size. It took me a long time to empty this product, but yeah, finally I did. You can see it smells amazing. There's nothing in there. Yeah, finally I emptied it, and this is very good cream, guys. So basically it's a cold cream. So what is the difference between a basic face moisturizer and a cold cream is that a cold cream is supposed to be very thick, and it's supposed to hydrate your skin very easily, so that skin doesn't dry out in the cold. In the cold, our skin tends to get dry very easily, and the skin gets like, and you won't see any oils or any hydration on your skin during winter. So that is why this cold cream is used, but I have used it till now and I have loved it. It is a very good cream, guys. It will hydrate and keep your skin moisturized throughout the day. And one more thing, guys, what I have noticed about this product is that it sits beautifully under any foundation you apply. So what I do is, whenever I apply any makeup on my face, first of all I apply this moisturizer, and then I wait for at least 2 to 3 minutes, and after that I go for my foundation, sorry. And the foundation sits very beautifully on this moisturizer. So if you don't know which face cream to apply basically before your foundation, then you should definitely go for this one. And also it's on the inexpensive side, then, and it doesn't empty that easily, so you should definitely go for it. Now the next product is a lip balm. So it's from Lakme, and I don't know, yeah, it's in the shade Mango. So I have completely emptied it. So basically it's not a typical lip balm. It does leave some kind of tint on your lip. So I think and this is the color. If you can see, yeah, so this is the color which leaves on your lip once you apply it. So basically what it does, it hydrates your lips, and at the same time it leaves tint on your lips, so you don't have to apply any lipstick if you want to. Otherwise you can definitely go for lipstick after applying this lip balm on your lips. And yes, I love this lip balm and I would definitely purchase it again. Now that I have completed the face products, I'll be moving on with my hair products. So the first product which I'll be showing you guys is a shampoo and a conditioner. So normally, guys, I have colored my hair, so I don't choose any shampoo in random. I research about them, like whether they are good for colored hair and whether they'll suit my hair or not, because I am a curly hair girl, so I have to like research about the shampoo before using them. So this is the Matrix Opticare Smooth Straight Shampoo, and it's the bigger bottle, and I have the conditioner also with me, so I have emptied them. Yeah, and as you can see, completely empty, there's nothing inside them. So if you want to try any shampoo and conditioner, you should definitely go for it, and it is not that costly. It retails for 500 rupees each, so you can try this. So what I have noticed about my hair after using this shampoo and conditioner is that my hair feels very smooth. Like, so normally what happens is that I'm a curly hair girl, so all my curly hair girls out there, you would know the problem we face with the curly hair is that normally what happens is that we get knots very easily in our hair. So this shampoo does not, this shampoo get rid of that. My After using this shampoo, I don't see any knots in my hair, and I don't have to comb it, so that my curls will uh, remain for a long time. Because if I comb them after shampooing my hair, then the curl will go and it feel like a bit dry out, so it doesn't do that. And also I always double shampoo my hair, guys. I don't apply shampoo only once. I always do it twice, and you should also try it, because after double shampooing my hair feels very smooth and silky. I genuinely love these two products, so if you want to go for it, then you should definitely try it out, because I would be purchasing them again, and that is for sure. And now talking about my next product, it is also a shampoo. So I thought like as those two product retails for 500 each, I should try the inexpensive one as well, so you guys can try it out. So the next product is a shampoo, and it's from L'Oreal. It's the purifying and hydrating shampoo. This is the one, this is sky blue one. Yeah, so this is also a very good shampoo, guys. Yeah, so in case you're not able to find the Matrix one anywhere, either in online or offline stores, then you can definitely go for this one. It is also a very good shampoo. Like whenever I don't have any shampoo with me, and I don't know which one to go for, then this is my go-to shampoo. I always try this one, and the conditioner as well. Right now I don't have the conditioner with me, but the same conditioner from this range, I use that one, and my hair feels very silky and smooth after using this one, because yeah, it's supposed to give you free flowing fresh hair. So yeah, that's what it does, and I would definitely purchase it again. So if you want to try this out, you can definitely do. And now the last product which I'll be talking to you guys about is a hair serum. So basically I have used many hair serums in the past, be it inexpensive or high-end serums. I have used all of them, and basically I felt that all of them does the same work. Like all of them have keep your hair a bit shiny, and for at least for some time, I have not till date I have not find any serum which keeps my hair shiny or smooth for throughout the day. So that is not the case with the hair serums. So I'd be showing you a hair serum which you can buy very easily, because it's on the drugstore range. So this is the Streaks Professional Hair Serum, and you can find many varieties. In this one they have the yellow one as well, and I've used that one as well, and I like the Streaks serum. So what the serum does is that it enriches your hair in some way that it doesn't feel very dry. And so basically how we apply the serum on our hair is we tend to apply it on the ends, so that our ends doesn't get dry out, and it keeps moisture hydrated or shiny, you can. So you make sure that you don't apply it on dry hair, because otherwise your hair will look oily, and you would not want that. So I would definitely be purchasing it again. So that's it, guys. That's it for my today's video. If you like my video, then don't forget to like and comment below, and please subscribe to my channel so that you never miss any update. And yeah, that's it. Bye bye, see you next time.